I guess you're wondering, what the hello shenanigans is this? You guys know I love vegetables, and this time I have a big pot roast underneath the bottom that Mr. Man will eat. I'm not really big on meats like that anymore because it's hard for me to digest. But this time I'm going to put my vegetables on top. I hope this turns out very well. As you can see, I am pointing at different things that I have in here, which is always broccoli, carrots, banana peppers, green peppers, red peppers, garlic, and I also have some potatoes at the bottom. I just washed them off and cut them in half with the peel still on them. And I do believe that this is going to be very good once it is finished. And I just wanted to say, hey guys, thanks for always rocking with me and have a good day. Bye-bye.